Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to demonstrate if we want to write a Android program in Python or iOS program. So how we can do this quickly. I am not going to teach you the writing of the program because you can use ChatGPT to generate any code like I did. Let's say I have a simple app where I am going to add item 1. So item 22. So this is simple app. So once it's generated the code, so I'm this is a code actually I am getting from my Android or ChatGPT, from using the ChatGPT actually. So ChatGPT, you can give any requirement or prompt, then you will get the code. But one thing I would like to say that the code name or file name should be main.py, because I am going to use colab, which is Windows, and buildozer to build the Android app, or maybe if we can use iOS app as well as. So main.py is my main program, and similarly my class name is main. If my class name is main, then I am going to create main.kv file. Main.kv file is a rule where I have put all the materialized design. So I put all the material design here, and their orientation, their ID, and their hint, and like this other properties you can say. So I'm using not kivy. I am using kivyMD. MD mean materialized design. So this is looks nicer and cooler than kv, but you have option, you can do anything kv or kivyMD, it's up to you. So the once the program is created, design, then we have to run following commands in colab research.google.com. It's a freeware. You can go in this site and then create and apply a step by step. First we need to apply this. So let me get back to the practical side how I can do this, or you can do this. So this is colab research.google.com, where I have my notebook, and you can create a new notebook as well. Once you create a new notebook, you make sure that you have to be connected. If not, then you have to tick sign like that you all the environment is set. Then you need to upload your file like here by clicking this. So once you click and upload main file, you will not see all the file because my code is compiled, and it will take 15 to 20 minutes depending on the speed of internet. So that's why I already done all the stuff to make a video, to make a shorter video in fact. So first step is we need to write this command. Don't worry about that, I will put this command in description so you can get it from here. And then second command is that we have to git clone and use buildozer and then setup.py. So once it's done, then third command is to buildozer dot init. Keep in mind that if we remove this hyphen exclamation sign, then it will give an error, because this is a command that tells that we need to execute. Okay, if you click here it will execute, but without this exclamation sign you will not able to execute, it will give you error. So once you build buildozer.init, so it will create a buildozer.specification file. Here you can see buildozer.specification file where you need to put requirements. So you need to see what are the main requirement of the file. Like in my case I have to use pillow, I am going to use kivyMD, maybe kivy 2.2.1. so request, so all the important stuff which required my uh, Android app, uh, so I have to add it here. So this is one more important thing. Second thing, you may change your application, you may change your application package name, it's up to you. You can change your domain name, it's up to you, but it's a good practice if you change and keep like that. Third and important, another important thing in your case, maybe you may need to provide Android permission if you're using accessing something from internet, but in my case it is not. But however I have to provide permission to the internet as well. So coming back to the main point, that you have to provide all the requirements. So I'm going to use Python 3 kv version, kivyMD version, and similarly pillow and sdlttf 2.10. So one is created, so it will build. Then you need to run buildozer -v android debug, and here you can see the error is that initially my file was not main.py, it was main.md, so I rename it main.py. And once I rename it, so I need to, because I got the error, so I need to buildozer android clean to clean up this step, undo this step. So I run this cleanup, and then I run a buildozer v android debug. Once I run this command, actually, so it gave me that your package is done, your file is available in the bin directory. So this is a bin directory, and it create this file and .apk file. Okay, so initially I have main, then it create buildozer.spec file and all the stuff. Once this command is satisfying, uh, the command is here. Okay, buildozer debug satisfied, so it will create apk file, and now you can copy apk file in your android device, or whatever the source you can copy from usb, from google drive. So you can copy it into that, then you will run the same output which I show you earlier, like when I run this program, so it will be same output you can see. So I hope you understand the full concept, full idea, uh, that how we can uh, use kv or kivyMD, and how we can make a android program. So have a fun. Thank you very much for watching this video.